Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Agile CRM for scoring leads and tasks, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the Agile CRM website. Look for the login button on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will see a prompt asking for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you've entered your email and password, click on the Login button. Wait for the dashboard to load. You will now see the main interface of Agile CRM. To score leads, navigate to the Leads section on the sidebar. Select a lead from the list displayed. Click on the lead to open its detailed view. Here, you can assess the lead's information and activity score. To assign or adjust a score, look for the scoring options available. Make your adjustments based on the criteria relevant to your business. Now, to manage tasks, go to the Tasks section on the sidebar. Click on Tasks to view your current tasks. You can add a new task by clicking the Add Task button. Fill in the task details such as title, due date, and priority level. Once done, click on the Save button. To update an existing task, click on the task from the list. Make your changes, then click on Update to save your modifications. Keep track of your leads and tasks for effective CRM management. This completes the login process and basic navigation of Agile CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.